Hey guys, welcome back. Today is a mini mission. I'm getting ready for Project 205. And big shout out, I gotta look up who it was. Somebody reminded me about my teeth on the Bobcat. Like, hey, you know, you can damage that bucket, get new teeth. Now, in my defense, I have extra teeth, but since we're still boxes in the garage, I ordered some more. So this is all I should need. Screwdriver, hammer to get all the mud muck out. I should have teeth and pins in here. So let's go check it out. Yeah, today, hang on a minute. So today I'm going deer hunting, rifle hunting for the first time in probably decades. Our last hunter just finished literally last night. And since they extended the CWD season, we got a few more 3 days left, I think. So it's gonna be like the old days. Sharon's gonna give me my Uber ride out. It's at 96%. Yeah, the struggle is real. My GoPro quit again. Long story, but that's why the clips today are gonna be a little shorter because it kept cutting out on me, even with a fully charged battery. I have to fire it up. Get at it. All right, this mouse trap is tripped. Both of these are tripped in there, but I didn't catch anyone, just some hairs. Frickin' dang things. It's like 30 today. All right, this should be a little easier to work here. We'll get started and see how it goes. First, I guess, let me show you these things. Let's open it up. Knife of the day is my everyday knife. This is a Sig Sauer K320. Love this thing. Almost indestructible. I know it's something to do. What we got here? There's a little keeper pin, teeth. This clay in here is almost like concrete. Oh, I think it went through. And I ordered 2 extra ones this time, like I always do, but I'll leave them here in the lean-to. So hopefully I can remember next time where they're at. Let's see how it goes. I can never remember. Theoretically, that's it right there. Look at how these are worn out. And there's 2 different sizes of these. You got to get the heavier duty. I get the bigger ones. These are like 4 inches or 4.5. Hopefully I got them in right. But all right, I pulled this one out. I don't remember it wobbling. And there is a way. You got one slot that's a little bit skinnier. So I'm going to flip it the opposite way. And it came out pretty easy. There, I think that's the right one. Now, good thing I question myself. Not that that happens very often. There we go. 2 new teeth, ready to roll, baby. Rock and roll. Woo!